Welcome in my fourth video of Ratchet and Clank Future Glitch. In this video we are in the Zordum prison and I will go out of this map, under the map, okay? How? We use the clothes and these, and we are here. Wait. This, yes. Okay, now go here and go on this wall. Use the climb the wall and go. Okay, it's not very easy, but it's possible. Okay, climb the wall and go and go. Okay. 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 Now go outside the map, outside of this black hole. Okay. Okay. See the map. Okay. Okay. And this is the place. This is the place. Okay. Now can we go? Oh, now we can see the map. We can see all the map. Okay. Yes, yes, it's a beautiful glitch, and this. Okay. That is the. Now we did, because oh yeah, I'm did. Okay, now remember two things. Okay, two things. I'm Italian, and sorry for my English, and remember to subscribe on my channel. Okay, remember to subscribe on my channel. This is the part 1. And I will make another part. Okay, see you again. Bye.